6 major techniques for head massage. First technique, alternately point press from the Shinting acupoint to the Baihui acupoint with both thumbs. Second, press from the Shinting acupoint towards both sides to the Taiyang acupoint. Note that the force when massaging the Taiyang acupoint should be gentle. Third, from the hairline downwards, grasp and press the scalp with finger pads. Fourth, knead and press the scalp with finger knuckles to relax the head. Fifth, grasp an appropriate amount of hair and gently pull upwards. Relax with appropriate force. Sixth, the palm of one hand covers the hairline position. The other hand gently taps to relax the head.
Oh no, my neck can't move. What should I do?
In her case, with limited neck movement, we have 3 techniques to help her. So first, we need to find this position, which is right beside the back of our head. There will be a sunken area. After using our thumbs to press against it, we do a plucking motion back and forth. This is a pressurizing action. Perform this action 20 times on each side. After that, place both hands crossed behind. While crossing, we push our shoulders towards the middle, press down on the highest, most bulging point of the trapezius muscle with our thumbs, and then perform a back and forth plucking motion. During this process, her muscle will gradually start to loosen. The second step, while plucking, we can also perform an upward lifting motion. After doing this action a few times, you'll find that her ability to lean back will greatly improve.
5 major steps for back relaxation. First step, push along both sides of the trapezius muscles. Use your knuckles for deeper pressure. Second step, push along both sides of the shoulder and neck area. Use your thumbs for circular kneading. Third step, push along the central du meridian of the back. Be careful not to apply too much pressure on the spine. Fourth step, push along both sides of the spine along the bladder meridian. Fifth step, push along both sides of the shoulder blades. Soothe the entire back muscle. Lift the Feng Qi and Feng Fu acupoints.
Starting from the side and back, manipulate these lumbar muscles. You will feel it's more effective to exert force because when you are on your side, you can see this muscle bulging out. Once you find this position, overlap your thumbs and press down, slowly exerting force to perform the pressing and plucking. At this point, the muscle will feel very sore and swollen. Pluck downwards to this point, which is the location of the Yaoyan acupoint. Do an intensified massage here. Next, massage the groin area, which is the root of the thigh. How to massage this? Use our thumbs, pushing from the bottom upwards. Okay, such plucking and kneading will make the muscles feel very, very sore and swollen. Keep plucking up to the waist area, plucking horizontally upwards. After these movements are completed, lumbar soreness will be significantly relieved. Postpartum belly enlargement. Diastasis recti still present. Quickly teach your husband this technique. Step 1. Inhale from both sides. Exhale and pull the abdomen back. Stand with your hands up. Pull the abdomen back. Repeat this movement 20 times. Inhale, exhale, retract the abdomen. Step 2. Place our hands on both sides of the abdomen. Inhale, exhale, slowly, little by little, pull the abdomen back. Let's do it again. Inhale, exhale. Perform this action 20 times. Now, step 3. Inhale. As you exhale, use both hands to push from the sides towards the middle of the abdomen. Gently pinch it up, then twist left and right and release. This movement can be done 10 times. Have you mastered these 3 steps? Hurry up and try it on your wife.
This is Jichuan acupoint. This is Qingling acupoint. This is Shaohai acupoint. This is Neiguan acupoint. These acupoints are important acupoints on the inner side of our arm. They have the functions of strengthening the brain and heart, unblocking meridians, and activating collaterals. They are mainly for numbness in the upper limbs, soreness, and distension in the arm. If you often feel soreness, distension, and numbness in your arms, you can point, knead, and stimulate these acupoints more often. Follow me to learn more acupoint massage knowledge. Three-step method for quickly relaxing the calves. Step 1. Divide and separate outwards with both hands from the inside. Step 2. Make circles and press knead with finger knuckles. Step 3. Straight push upwards on the gastrocnemius muscle with thumbs, then retract from both sides.